everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Welcome. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, I'm Gail Meyer, also known as the Happy Stamper from thehappystamper.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I have been since 2000, so it's been 17 years, long time. But I am here to help you find your creative passion and share my ideas for card making, scrapbooking, home decor, you name it. So let me share with you what we're going to be making today in honor of St. Patrick's Day coming. This is super cute, super fun, and if you look closely, the back here is embossed, and it looks like the Irish, oh my gosh, those beautiful wool sweaters that they have. So I'll show you how I put this together, so just stick around. Okay, I am using our alphabet large letter framelits. Here is the item number for you. Love these. These are essential. I love it for card making. It has a stamp set too that you can purchase. I love these for scrapbooking as well, but monograms, they're spelling out words like this. Perfect. So I'm going to be using the Thinlit dies for this. I've done a little bit of prep work ahead. So from this, I am going to be pulling out the M and the E, and then I'm going to set this aside. All right, so I've got my multi-purpose platform here, and I have some scraps here that I am going to be using, and of course my phone starts ringing, my apologies. I'm going to lay out my letters there. I also am using the heart dies. I'm using the smallest one here, and I've got a scratch piece of our gold. Now, since this doesn't have a direction, I'm going to put it upside down. That way I can not dull the blades quite so well. So I've got my multi-purpose platform, my first platform, and then my second, and we're just going to run this through the Big Shot. I love using my Big Shot. I use it almost for every project. All right, look how easy this just pops out. Easy, easy peasy. I love using these. All right, let's set that aside. So I've got my me. Let's pop out our heart. Now, who doesn't love glitter? I do. Let's set that aside. And then in my little package of goodies here, I've already cut, like I said, some of my supplies just to save a little bit of time. Here's another scrap that I am going to use. I'll set that aside. I'm going to, for my layering piece, run this through the Big Shot using the cable knit dynamic. Now this is a super thick one, embossing folder, so we don't need our bottom plate and we don't need any tabs, just our top plate, because this is so thick it'll just go right through. All right, let's get that out of the way and get down to the fun part of putting this card together. So doesn't that look like that cool Irish, you know, their sweaters, their wool sweaters, they're spectacular. Now, one little change that I am making, this card is what's known as a portrait card. I'm sorry, well, yeah, I guess this would be a portrait, but it's a side portrait card, meaning it goes this way, like a portrait on the wall. This card is also a portrait card, but I'm going to change it up to open this way. So this was an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock that I cut at 4 1/4, and then I have folded it at 5 1/2. I'm also using our green glue. I think I've told you guys how crazy I am about this. Now this piece here with the green glue, it really holds everything so nicely. this piece is going to go on the inside of my card. And I just ordered the Teeny Tiny Wishes. I cannot believe I didn't have that stamp set, but I just ordered it. So I'm going to leave this blank because in Teeny Tiny Wishes, it has sentiments for every holiday. And it even has one that says, Happy St. Patrick's Day. So I'll add that when I am finished. But this looks like that Clagda, if I'm pronouncing it right. You know, the knots. Yep, perfect. Perfect, perfect. This is such a fun card. So I spelled out Kiss Me, Kiss Me. And I'm going to put that on the front of the card here. I hope I'm in frame. I'm going to use my green glue here. And it gets kind of schmuggy every so often, so you just have to, and you don't need a lot of this. It really, a little goes a long way, and it's so strong. So just little doppy dupes and you're good. I love these letters. I love them. You can do so much. The scrapbooking for your titles. I just did some monogram personalized note cards for a gift for a friend of mine. I don't know if I posted it on my blog. I was having terrible problems trying to post on my blog with an update that had taken place with my phone, but my daughter just came home from college and got me back up and running. So I just made a quick, cute hedgehog post. So if you'd like to see that cute card, head over there and you can see that. And I will make sure to re-upload the cute personalized cards that I made for my friend because they were adorable. Adorable. And I may, if you guys are interested, post pictures I just decorated for St. Patrick's Day. I don't do a whole lot, but I do some cute stuff, and I collect Annalise. So maybe I'll post some pictures, or I don't know. I don't know that it would warrant doing a whole video, but it's cute. All right, so we've got this part done. Kiss me. And then I've got my little hearts. So I'm going to put that on top of that. And I'm going to put another one on here just to give it a little weight. Alrighty, so I freehanded the stem. And that's, you know, I just kind of tried to curve it a bit. Like so. Not trying to be super perfect or anything, but, you know, just a little stem for the little clover. Yeah. I need to get a pair of tweezers. Well, another pair of tweezers. I had some really sharp ones, and I don't have them anymore. Don't know where they went. Alrighty. So I've got 3 of these beautiful gold hearts, and I'm going to attach it. I like to start with the center heart, like so. That's cute. Oh, that's so cute. And this guy's going to go right here, right like that. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. So now my fingers are going to get a little bit gluey, but that's okay, because I'm going to add glue to the back of it. Voila, voila, and just a little line like so. So cute. Ooh, it's so cute. All right, let's move those off of there. I'm going to add a little bit more glue now to the remaining hearts and turn this into a 3-leaf clover, if you will. Now, I like to have a little bit of a space here between my clovers. Just so it kind of looks like a clover. If I find that with the glitter paper, if I put it all too close together, then it doesn't look, you know, like a clover. It just looks kind of, I don't know, like a little messy blob. So there you have it, you guys. There is card number 2. Isn't that cute? So you can tell your favorite little shamrock to give you a smooch. This card opens that way, and here is this one that opens to the side. But either way you look at it, it says kiss me. All right, you guys, so that's my project for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are looking forward to sharing the love with your little favorite shamrocks. And as always, hugs from me to you. I'll have all my information down below. If you'd like to contact me or order from thehappystamper.com, just look down below and you'll see everything there with links and the hostess code. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.